Didn't do it. We're just sitting here. We're innocent.
You're rocking.
Hi, Lauren. Taking a video.
What?
I think that funder should get off.
We're gonna hit the car in front of us.
Stop worrying.
Stop, man. You got the money, man.
Yep.
You're welcome.
Just Ferry?
No?
Hello?
Hi, Ryan.
Well, I'm the Ferry.
It's a video.
I'm on the Ferry right now.
That's a video.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. Thank you, Ayla, for saying that. Oh, well.
Merry Christmas. How you doing?
We're on a ferry. Woo!
We're on a boat.
Look at the water.
Riding a boat to nowhere.
Oh, we get one kid with. I have one Noah boy with us. There's a lot more cars on.
Right. You got one.
He's one on front.
Well, this one's got rear-wheel drive. That's the van.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean you can take it back.
Look at the other ferry.
Hey, Ayla,
Look at the other ferry.
Look how fast they're going.
What? Rock the boat, baby. It's a Bushman. I thought that was working. Coffee?
Oh, we're moving, guys. We're moving.
Oh, is that
Are we?
We are moving.
Was that your mom?
Yeah.
What'd she say?
Chelsey's so fucking loud. I'm trying to talk to my mom.
Woo! We're moving. You can't even tell.
No.
Not a boat, Mom.
We're allowed to get out.
I am on a boat.
I'm sure we're gonna tip. I swear to God, we're gonna.
We're not gonna tip.
Want me to open this door?
I've been on a ferry millions of times.
Wait, can you cash out? Do I need it?
We didn't give him the money yet?
No.
Then it's a free ride.
No.
No, we pay
So
over
come
there.
around, Jesus.
Yeah.
Alright, well, it's running.
Twitter. I'm on a boat.
They kill it. They're staying on their brakes. They're scared as hell.
Money. Get the money out. Ryan. On the brakes. Ryan.
Brake lights run.
Bobby, get your money.
What do you mean money?
He's asking for money. You got 20?
Yeah.
No, I have a 5.
Who has 2 on? You can
I
keep
did
the change. You
two.
buy stuff.
Where the hell? I don't know where I put it. Oh, it's right here.
Stop!
You and your marble.
Oh, wait. Here, I got $2. No, it's too late.
Give me that too.
No. Is he going to get change back?
Who? Watch out.
Oh. Jerk.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Turn off the camera.
You got a farmer's hat. That guy's handicapped. The Jeep.
Really?
Yeah, they got a handicap thing.
No, they got the person in front of us. Oh my god. That's very cool.
Handy clapper. Like Ayla.
Handy clapper.
Don't take the sign seriously.
I did.
Hey,
thank you.
Thank you.
What?
Get the card.
Yeah.
Hey! I didn't say
Hey,
anything.
you dumb cracker. You know what? Throw it on the water.
No littering on the ferry. Too late, bro. I cut it.
Oh, look, we're here. I was going to get out of the car.
Ryan, why do you keep texting me?
What?
Why do you keep texting me?
Downloading.
He's totally denying. Oh, don't push the dude.
Hey.
Don't.
Don't pop that thing in here. You're going to break a windshield. Don't. Ryan?
It's not even working.
It's actually...
Ooh, we have stopped.
We have don't.
Come on, we're at the end.
You're right, we didn't sing!
Wait, what
They were freaking out that we were going to sing.